April, Child Abuse Prevention and Sexual Assault Awareness Month. Early this week, Kansas took another big leap toward victim advocacy when Governor Laura Kelly signed a bill all to give survivors of child sexual abuse more time to file lawsuits. Our reporter Jian Kim talked with a survivor, advocates, and lawmakers about what this means for thousands of victims.
And I've learned over the years that I'm one of 11 that were all abused by the same coach.
Gymnastics was Kim Bergman's safe place. It's somewhere she went to escape her difficult home life, but she was hurt by the very institution that was supposed to protect her.
He would tell me that I would have to let him do certain things to me for me able to have more time at the gym.
Bergman came forward as a child about her abuse, but there wasn't enough evidence to convict her coach at the time. She finally heard in 2008 that he was arrested for a different case, but by then, the statute of limitation had expired for her case.
I think it's to know that you mattered. My abuser, he was convicted and he's on the sexual offender registry, but he was never convicted for what he did to me.
Bergman is just one of many who never found justice. But Kansas legislators are hopeful a new law will better protect those currently being abused.
Enough people that understood the topic and felt confident in voting for it.
The law removes the statute of limitations on cases of child sexual abuse indefinitely. It also gives survivors until they turn 31 and 3 years after a criminal conviction to file a lawsuit. Senator Cindy Holscher says the average age for a victim to come forward is 52 years old.
The other area where we need to work is a revival window, because we have a number of survivors out there that won't be impacted by this change.
The Sunflower House is a child advocacy center in Shawnee, Kansas. Advocates there say 1 out of 10 children will experience sexual abuse by their 18th birthday. She hopes the bill will help bring a sense of justice and healing for them all.
Your story is still your story, and you are able to come forward, you're able to speak your truth, and through that you can move into your healing. You can, even in sharing your story, sometimes just sharing is a sense of justice, and so you no longer feel silenced.
Bergman tells me despite the pain, her story has also empowered her to become a gymnastics coach and a voice for others.
If something happens to you, if someone makes you uncomfortable, tell someone and keep telling until someone listens.
Jian Kim, KSHB 41 News.